How to find someone on Telegram without their phone number. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Telegram. Now to find someone on Telegram without their phone number, you must have their user ID. Now to get the user ID, tap on the search icon and search for user info bot. Now select this bot and click on start. Now go back. Now open up the chat. Now forward the message. Now select the bot and click on send. Now copy the username. Now to search for the person, tap on the search icon and paste the username. Now click on search. Now open the profile and that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.